Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dark mode on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using a Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Go, Saved, Contribute and Updates on the bottom, while there's a search bar along with restaurants, attractions, hotels, petrol pumps, etc. on the top. Now go to top right corner, then tap on that user icon right beside search bar. There you can see other options like location sharing, your timeline, your profile, offline maps, your daytime maps, settings, etc. You have to go to settings. Under settings, halfway through your screen, you're gonna find dark mode. Just go into dark mode and select on. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn on dark mode on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.